Today, let's write an awk script. So as you can tell here, I have a little sample file that I'm working with. I am going to create a file. I'm going to call this myfirst.awk. The first thing you need to do is put the path to awk in there with a shebang at the front. So shebang, the easiest way I know to do this is to come down a line and go bang, bang. This is in VI, which awk, and it gives you the path name. So then I can just put those together like that. And then we need a -f. The -f tells it that we're going to be running this script against the file that we're going to put on the command line later on. So we go down here and we can just put a comment. Escape out of it, save it. Cat, my first awk. There we go. Next, change the permissions so that it's actually runnable. Then you can go my first, and it runs. Didn't see an error there. Yay. So now I'm going to go back into my file, take out this comment, and I have a script from before that I'm going to copy in. So when we write a script out, comments are done with pound signs at the front. Like before, we have a beginning section, a middle section, and an end. Beginning, middle, end. So this beginning section, I'm telling it to, I'm using printf so that I can put new lines and stuff like that in there. New line, because I like to know where the start of the output of the script is to easily delineate it from the rest of the stuff on the screen. A string right here with the -s. And then here's the actual string we're going to put in there. Semicolon at the end to tell it's a new command. Printf again, this time another string with 2 blank lines afterwards. And those are going to be our headings. And then the running total, we're going to set it equal to 0. Next, we're going to run through the lines. This one here says only consider lines that start with the letter E in the first column. Here is just a funny syntax thing to make it so that I can format the code like I want. That's why that semicolon is just kind of extraneous there. It's a blank command. Then I'm going to sum columns 2 and columns 5. Create a running total. Print the original lines plus the sum plus the running total. I think I might have a boo-boo there. Let's check real quick. We have here only 4 columns, and we want to sum number 2 and number 4. So we're going to go back in here. About that. And we're going to change this to summing number 2 and number 4. And also, if you look up here, sum, and then we're going to get that as running total. Okay, so we're printing that out, and then at the end of this, we're going to printf and have another blank line, put the finding running total, and then that's all, folks. So if we go to run this, my first awk, and we're giving it sample2.log. Here's those blank lines, because I like that delineation, so it's easy to tell where the script starts. My code, and I also like blank lines at the beginning. And there, my first awk script.